Earth is home to millions of different species of animals, all special in their own unique ways. Throughout the animal kingdom, however, there are certain species that are just simply more intelligent than the rest. These animals have adapted through evolution to become some of the smartest living organisms in the world. Hold your place in line as we cover the top 10 most intelligent animals on Earth. Number 10. Crows. The entirety of the corvid family is smart and cunning, with members including jays, magpies, ravens, and crows. This family of birds is the only known non-primate vertebrae that invent their own tools. Crows are exceptional at remembering human faces, communicating complex concepts with other crows, and thinking about future tasks. The cunning crow can recognize at distance if a particular human poses a threat due to past experiences. Scientists compare the intelligence of crows to be around the same as a 7-year-old child, not bad for an animal with a brain the size of a walnut. Number 9. Elephants. As the saying goes, an elephant never forgets, and it's true due to their high intelligence and stellar memory. Known to have the largest brain of any land animal on Earth, the elephant uses its natural gift to process the environment better than most other species. Elephants are savvy, having developed complex emotions and have learned how to identify different human languages. They are also known to console one another during periods of distress. Like humans, during a death in their social group, elephants will go into a state of mourning. It has been witnessed that they will visit and stand around the remains of the deceased, shedding tears and even touching and caressing the body. Elephants are truly incredible animals that are more alike with humans than most people recognize, so keep that in mind next time you see one at the zoo or in the wild. Number 8. Dolphins. Dolphins are the brainiacs of the ocean and are known to be highly evolved social animals. Having a large brain relative to its body size, dolphins have been able to develop complex communications that scientists say is so alien it may never be decoded. Dolphins and other species in their family are the only marine animals able to pass the mirror of self-awareness test and do so at an even earlier age than human beings, suggesting that they have very high intelligence. Experts have noticed that certain species of dolphins have distinct names for one another, communicated through identifiable whistles, and can remember them years after separation. They have also learned to work with fishermen in Brazil to round up fish during an annual harvest in which the people share the spoils of fish with the dolphins who are excited to help. Number 7. Pigs. You probably weren't thinking that pigs were going to be on the list of the smartest animals on Earth, were you? Well, to be fair, neither were we. Pigs are known to solve mazes, understand and display emotions, and grasp symbolic language such as hand commands. They understand abstract representations and can use that skill to play joystick video games. Pigs outperform 3-year-old children in cognitive tests and are smarter than any domesticated animal. Contrary to popular belief, pigs are extremely clean animals and also the only farm animals to make a separate den from their latrine area. They have been shown to feel pain, similar to that of humans, and can sense if a person has ill intent. So next time you see a pig, recognize that there's a lot more going on inside their brain than you'd think. Number 6. Raccoons. The masked bandits that rummage through your garbage cans are the same critters that aren't that much different than humans when it comes to understanding and intelligence. Raccoons are excellent problem solvers and have proved so in numerous studies. They are notorious lockpickers, getting into trouble everywhere they go. Solutions to problems they were taught years prior are remembered and used exactly as they were before. Scientists rank raccoons as having higher intelligence than both cats and dogs, scoring just under monkey IQ levels. It's clear that these animals have an intellect well underrated by people and at least deserve a little recognition for the tasks and feats they're able to pull off. Number 5. Octopuses. Known to have 3 hearts and 9 brains, octopus are the second smartest marine animal after dolphins in the family classification. 3/5 of all neurons in the octopus's brains are dedicated to its arms, being the only known invertebrates to use tools. Laboratory experiments have been conducted showing that octopus can distinguish shapes and patterns and are also capable of using observational learning in their environments. The nimble octopus, able to squeeze into the tiniest of cracks, was long thought to be a dumb animal, but it's finally been given the credit it deserves through scientific studies. Next time you visit an aquarium, just know that octopus you look at through the glass and think is ugly, it's probably thinking the same thing about you. Number 4. Parrots. Known for being gorgeous in coloring and having the ability to speak human words, parrots are some of the smartest birds on Earth. They are believed to be as smart or smarter than a human child and can solve puzzles along with understanding the concept of cause and effect. The smartest parrots in the species are the African grey, as they have an incredible memory and an uncanny ability to count. Through learning human words, they can then apply them in context to communicate in actual conversations. Parrots share similar genes in brain development that evolved to give humans large brains, and also like humans, these birds are highly social and outgoing. Owners of these talkative birds know just how intelligent and happy they are, always learning new things about their environment. Number 3. Dogs. Man's best friend has long been accredited to be one of the smartest and most trainable animals in the world, evolving with humans over thousands of years. They understand emotions, show empathy, and understand symbolic language. According to dog intelligence expert Stanley Cohen, the average dog understands up to 165 human words, however, the smartest can learn many more. A border collie named Chaser was able to understand 1,022 words, which is absolutely ridiculous. Dogs also demonstrate the theory of mind by engaging in deception. Everyone who's owned dogs knows that at some point during its life, they'll truly surprise you with the feats they're able to accomplish. Having a better understanding of the true intelligence of our canine companions helps to appreciate them in a different light. Number 2. Gorilla. Highly intelligent and one of the strongest animals pound for pound on the planet, gorillas are highly social and similar to humans in a lot of ways. Famously, the gorilla Coco learned sign language and even cared for a pet cat. They can form sentences to communicate with humans and understand symbols to represent objects and more complex concepts. When in the wild, they've been seen using long sticks to gauge the depth of water and have even started using sticks to eat ants without being stung. Their impressive communities and up to 25 different vocalizations suggest even more proof to scientists that gorillas are extremely intelligent and as a human relative hold a special place in our hearts. Number 1. Chimpanzees. The smartest of all animals on Earth, after humans of course, the chimpanzee stands as our closest relative, sharing nearly 99% of our DNA. Obviously, with such similarity to humans, these animals are bound to behave in familiar ways to us. Chimps are known to fashion spears and other tools, display wide ranges of emotion, and recognize themselves in the mirror. Like gorillas, chimps can learn sign language and use it to communicate with humans. In some tasks, chimps have proven to have a better memory than humans. They diversified from us some 7 million years ago when our last common ancestor was alive, cementing their history of evolution with us as a species.